Hello and welcome back everyone, hope you are all good. As you know, the A50 it's a handsome phone and looks like some of the users have a few problems with this phone. Today we're gonna talk about the other issues and how we can solve them. In my previous video I've been talking about the overheating, the battery problems and some lag. Well, today I'm gonna start with the Wi-Fi problems and the low range on Wi-Fi on A50 and what to do to fix this. Well, first of all, you just have to check your router or the modem and try resetting the settings. Make sure there's no obstacle in the front of the router. Then turn the phone into the airplane mode. You can see the airplane, it's a latest shortcut on the key menu. So just turn it on at the moment. So everything is gonna disconnect at the moment. And you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, maximum 1 minute. And then you just have to turn it back off again. And also have a look on your updates because Samsung it's preparing the third update of the phone, and this one from what I can see on the internet, it's bringing the Wi-Fi problem update. So have a look on your updates. If you can see here, my last one it's on 10th of May, so nothing since then. But seems that the third update it's been released in some of the countries on the 16th of May, so it just 2-3 days ago, and it's coming with camera improvements and the Wi-Fi connection. So this may fix your Wi-Fi problem. Okay, let's move on the mobile data problem because most of you said about the data problem. So first of all, take your SIM card off, just put a pin, take it off, and then put it back on. This may fix for the moment your data problem. Okay, let's put it back on, and you're gonna see the signal right on the corner, and yeah, you're gonna see again your network right here. And again, turn the phone into the airplane mode. This feature seems to fix this problem even on Wi-Fi or a data problem. So turn the phone on the airplane mode. This is gonna disconnect your data connection. You're gonna see the airplane shortcut right here, or the symbol into the right corner, and then switch it back off, and this may fix your data connection. If it's not working, try this or reset the settings, reset the phone, or factory resetting. Okay, what we're gonna do if the app's not downloading from the Play Store. First, we're gonna go on the settings, on the apps. We're gonna search for Play Store, Google Play Store. Go on the storage and try to clear all the data or clear the cache in here. So you're gonna see at the moment we got just 4 megabytes of data, so we're just gonna tap on clear and have a look. All this application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, account, database. So make sure you clear the data and then try again and see if it's working. Also, you can clear the cache easily. So see, it's starting from 0 at the moment. This may work also again. So if this still not working and the apps doesn't download from your Play Store, go actually on the Play Store, on the settings, and try to clear the local history. Just press on it, and this should clear your history on the Play Store. So this should fix your apps and games who doesn't download properly from the Play Store. Another problem seems to be the Bluetooth connection. So first of all, make sure your phone is up to date like I said before, and go in the settings on the update section and try to update your phone. Second, make sure your device is visible to all the phones. So tap the Bluetooth and don't expect just to simple connect. Just go on the Bluetooth, swipe it down and type Bluetooth, and you're gonna go on this menu right here, and you may find other different phones and try to connect on one of the phones, pairing, and wait to see if it's fully connected, because it can have error. So wait at the moment and see if it's connecting to the other phone. If still is not working and you don't connect to other phone, try to disconnect the Bluetooth for a couple of times. Just switch it back on and off, and try this for a couple of times until you can discover other phone or that device that you're trying to connect with. So yeah, switch the Bluetooth on and off for a couple of times and see if is this working, and see if you can connect. Also, I have to say that personally I have a problem with the phone when I'm trying to connect with the cable on my PC. Seems that my PC doesn't recognize the phone, and when I try to transfer any data, any video, I have to use this little gadget, this little thing, and I'm gonna show you. You can use it even to plug in your phone like this, and then with the other side you can go on your computer, and if you can see on this USB, you got another USB type 2, so you can just put that back and connect to other phone. Also, you can take your SIM card, micro SD from your phone, and usually this is what I'm doing. I just put the micro SD right here and then just connect to my computer, and then you're gonna have more speed than you usually transfer with your phone. And also you can plug your USB cable right here on this little gadget and then plug it into your PC. So this is very useful, and I'm using like 100% at this moment with my phone, because the PC doesn't recognize the micro SD. So I just have to put the micro SD right here, and then with this USB just plug it into my computer, and I can see all my videos, data files, music. It's working very well. So you can find this on internet. It's quite cheap, very cheap actually. It's 2 or 3 euros, and it's gonna help you to connect on your PC even better and faster than usually your phone to transfer your files. So thank you for watching this short video, and I hope you can fix your problems. If not, have a look on internet, search, also have a look on updates, and this phone is getting better and better with the further updates that are coming out for him. So thank you for watching, and see you again on another video.